Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial, of course. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do that and make sure that you turn on your notifications so you'll also know when I upload a video. So as you can see, I've jumped right into doing my eyebrows. I'm using a regular brow pencil from the hair store. I think it's a dollar pencil, and I think the color may be espresso or whatever. So yeah, I just don't splurge on eyebrow pencils anymore because I know how to do these brows now. So now I'm going in with my concealer by Makeup Revolution, and I think this is in the color beige. And I'm just gonna put a little bit, of course, on my hand. Go in with the concealer brush, and I'm going to clean them right on up. Oh, look at that brow. Yes, God. Girl, you better clean up that brow. So yeah, I'm just blending it on in with my fingers and whatnot. Y'all know I use my fingers in the end to go ahead and smudge it on out. So next I am going to, what am I going to do next? Let's see. Oh, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prep my skin with No More Pores. This is actually a product that I got in my BoxyCharm, and I absolutely love it. Like, it really just takes the pores away from your skin and give you a flawless look. All right, going in with my It's My Ray Ray palette, her second collab with BH Cosmetics. I don't know why I love this palette so much, but I do, and I'm always reaching for it. The first color that I went in with is, of course, Brick, Brick, and it's just a warm, neutral kind of brown shade that just complements my skin tone so much, and I just absolutely love it. It's my go-to transition color for any kind of makeup look. Next, I'm going in with Coca. I think that's how you pronounce it. Coca, yeah. And I'm just taking a smaller detail brush because I'm going to focus it right on my lid. Kind of what's going in for like this smoky concoction or whatnot. Y'all know I don't plan this. I just, whatever I feel is what I do. So I really didn't know what direction I was going with this look. I just knew that I wanted to use these colors, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just placing this color all over my lid. As you can see, just, no rules, just putting it freely where I want to. And then I'm going to take that first brush that I had that has the brick shade on it, and I'm just blending those colors together. That's basically what I'm doing. It wasn't, a whole lot for me to figure out. Then I went in with Bark. And Bark, I think I put in the crease. Yeah, Bark kind of merged the color of Coca and Brick together. And I just blended them all. Basically, that's what I did. I love the browns. I love how pretty it is. I mean, we are getting ready for the fall because it's so hot that it's ridiculous. So the next color I'm going in with is called Shining. And it's such a pretty, it has like a copper mixed in with a gold mixed in with some sparkle. Like, I can't really describe it. It's just a pretty bronzy color. And it just went in perfectly. I just literally took the color and put it on my eyelid. That's all I did. Like, I didn't do anything fancy, like no abracadabra, no magic trick. That's basically what I did right there. And everything just came together so beautifully. Like, it literally did. And I have to use a flat brush because, my inner corners of my eye, it's kind of hard for me to reach in there or whatever. So that's the only reason, I grabbed the brush. But other than that, I would have just used my fingers. All right, going in with this foundation, Believe. If you have not seen my tutorial on this foundation that I caught from Dollar General, you definitely need to check that out. All right, so as you know, and from the tutorial, we could discover that the shade is a little bit dark, as we would like for me. So I took my ColourPop foundation and I blended them together, and look, you guys, it is the perfect color. Like, it matches me so perfectly. And look at that $5 foundation just cutting up like it costed $55,000. Like, I'm just not here for you need to be in the high end. Because look at this. This is a drugstore foundation, and it's literally melting into my skin. Oh my God, it's so bomb. Like, look at that. Just a moment of silence for how their foundation is just blending in. Oh my God. Like, it's everything. It's just so bomb. But yeah. So I'm just blending the foundation in with the foundation brush, of course. I told you guys that, that's when I kind of switched over to using foundation brushes now. All right, let's see what we're going to do next. Concealer, y'all know my holy grail concealer is definitely ColourPop. I love it so much. It's so bomb. And don't ask me what shade this is because honestly, I do not know. But I think it may be a medium some color. But I'll make sure I get that information for you guys next time. All right, so I'm just going to take a brush and I'm just, look at how the concealer literally melts into the skin. Like, and I think their concealers are like $6 from ColourPop. Baby, run me my ColourPop concealers because I don't have time. I just do not have time to be playing with y'all. It's so bomb. Like, I love it so much. Look at that face just coming together. Yes, ma'am. Everything is just blending on nicely. I'm just blending it all out. Going in with my L'Oreal Hydra Perfect Translucent Powder. Listen, I ain't gonna never switch up. This powder does it for me every single time. Like, I even have the Laura Mercier powder, and guess what? It does not do what my L'Oreal does. And so I just stick to what I know. And L'Oreal hasn't failed me since I've been using it. So yeah. So just making sure we're setting that face on down, then going back in, of course, with the Holy Grail, the one who started with me, this Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade Light to Medium. And we're going to contour that face. We're going to lose these 15 pounds. Yes, we are. Yes, ma'am. We're going to bronze it up using a fluffy brush, of course. I just love this makeup product because it just works. Like, it blends in. You can build it. It gives you control. Like, I like products that lets you be in control. Don't be no product and tell me what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I tell you what you're gonna do. And this powder definitely gives me the control. Like, I like to be in control. So of course you guys know, just going in with some black liner, just getting that tight lining my waterline. Oh, I forgot what I was saying for a minute. All right, going back into my, it's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm going to go in with Bark, and I'm just going to smoke right up under that waterline. We had to smoke it out, y'all. Y'all know that. Smoke it out. And it's such a pretty, look at that brown. It's just so gorgeous. Like, how can you not love it? Like, brown just compliments, us so good. Like, you can never go wrong with a brown look. You really can't. All right, so the next thing I am going to do, what am I going to do? Okay, I'm blending. Oh, the concealer was kind of too light up there under my brow bone, so I went in and blended the eyeshadow. Yeah, I don't know, I'll be all over the place. All right, going in with my Mary Kay mascara. We're going to hit those bottom lashes because, duh, bottom lashes must come through. They must be pulled out. Wake up bottom lashes. Like, I cannot do a makeup look without doing my bottom lashes. Like, it's my signature. Give me my bottom lashes. All right, going in with this blush by Note, and it's called Desert Rose. And y'all know when I get a blush, I pretty much stick with the same blush. I need to do better. But, when something works for me, it just works for me. And I love these peachy tones. Like, they just really complement women of color undertones so much. And it just makes it look so pretty and irresistible that it's hard for me to, let go with it. All right, so I'm going to set this beat face with my Mario Badescu facial spray, of course. Y'all know some stuff I'm just not going to ever give up, and Mario is one of them. All right, going in with this bomb highlighter by Steve Laurent, and it's called Prosecco Please. Oh my God, and it's one of the treats I got into Box Charm as well. You guys, look at the highlighter. It has like a jelly kind of feel to it. And I just love the fact that I can manipulate it with my fingers. Oh my God. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. Like, I've been using this highlighter nonstop, like literally. And then, of course, oh my God, my bestest friend, one of my bestest friends in the whole wide world, gifted me with the Pat McGrath highlighter trio. And you guys, I don't pull this out often, but when I do, oh my God. Y'all see that? Y'all, this highlighter trio palette is so bomb. Like, I honestly did, I may have worn it 3 times because, I just can't be out here in these streets walking around with pants on in the ghetto. Like, the United States is ghetto. I need to be overseas somewhere when I pull out this highlighter. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm just bringing this stuff all together. And now we're going to move on to the lips. Okay, so guys, this is a shade by BH Cosmetics. I don't know the name of it. Oh my God. And I'm not at home where I can look at it because I'm doing this voiceover while I'm at work because I'm trying to get this video out to y'all while I'm at work. Yeah, But it's a pretty warm tone brown by BH Cosmetics. And it's just really pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Hennessy by ColourPop. Not Hennessy, Lord. Anyways, by ColourPop and Ellery collab. So if you're wondering, what it looks like, that's what it reminds me of. So again, it's by BH Cosmetics, and it's a lip, I guess a matte lippy at that, and it's just really pretty. Like it completely brought the look together for me. So y'all know I'm extra when it comes to the lips. Okay, so look at that. I was admiring myself. Look at me looking like I'm looking. So I'm gonna go in with Ruby Kisses Brown Sugar, and I just wanted to do something different that I normally don't do, and I'm just gonna like put that on the center and ombre it. Of course, I was just testing to make sure it was dry, and of course it was dry, and I ombre the center lip, and like again, that's Brown Sugar by Ruby Kisses. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your continuing support. And I love you. And I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Mwah.